Hey Kinsley, I was going to do a really quick video just to make sure that you were logging in correctly to iLearn. I saw that you were having some trouble. So we're on Google, just a plain Chrome, and then we're going to type up here www.ilearn.com/login. Don't just don't go right here and just type iLearn. I need you to type the whole website. Okay, we're here at the iLearn site and we say click here. And then it's going to ask for a username. It's the letter B and then your first and last initial and then your lunch number. Okay, that's your username. And then your password is your lunch number. Click login. Ta-da! And you're ready to go. So I hope that helps. I'm logging out. I'm not doing any of your math. But there you go, Kinsley. If you have other questions or if you have other problems, take a screenshot, take a quick picture, and then send it and let us know. But that should do it for you. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.